Welcome back sa ating channel. Senador Risa Hontiveros gustong palabasin na si President Bongbong Marcos talaga ang may kasalanan sa nangyaring sugar importasyon. Risa, pinagtatakpan may mga kasalanan at ginigiit na si Pangulong Bongbong Marcos ang dapat parusahan. Sabi nga ni Risa Hontiveros sa kanyang kataga, Hontiveros thinks palace through Sebastian DA X6 under the bus in sugar imports mess. Senador Risa Hontiveros said, Resign Agriculture Undersecretary and renowned expert Leocardio Sebastian is being painted as the fall guy of Malacanang after receiving backlash on the additional importation of 300,000 metric tons of raw and refined sugar. The Senate Blue Ribbon Committee recommended administrative changes against Sebastian, ex-Sugar Regulatory Administration Chief Hermenegildo Serafica and board members Rolando Beltran and Aurelio Gerardo Valderrama Jr. for issuing the importation order without President Bongbong Marcos' approval. Sebastian and Serafica, however, say they got Marcos' verbal order prior to them signing the imports order. They are recommended to face charges of serious dishonesty, grave misconduct, gross neglect of duty, conduct prejudicial to the best interest of the service, and gross insubordination. Tila may ginagawang fall guys. Of course, the president can retract orders and override policy, but I believe Yusik Sebastian when he says he was of the good faith belief that the importation not only was necessary, it had the support of the chief executive. Hontiveros said. Tila hindi nga lulubayan ni Senador Hontiveros si Pangulong Bongbong Marcos at tila sinisisi pa nga ito at sinasabi na si Pangulong Bongbong Marcos ang mastermind sa lahat na ito at pinaglalaruan lang ang bansang Pilipinas. Kung kayo ang tatanungin, payag ba kayo sa sinabi ni Hontiveros na si Pangulong Bongbong Marcos ang utak ng lahat sa sugar importation? Just comment below at ating pag-uusapan. At kung bago ka pa lamang sa akin channel, huwag kalimutan i-click ang subscribe button at notification bell para lagi kang updated sa ating mga bagong video. At para sa sulit viewers natin dyan, maraming salamat sa walang sawang pagsuporta.